वाळपयचे आमदार तसेच भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे वेंचणुका उपरांत लेगीत म्हज्या संपर्कात आशिल्ले। भाजपांतल्यान येवपी धमक्यांक लागून आपूण पक्ष सोडून भाजपात प्रवेश घेतला म्हण विश्वजीत राणेन सांगलां अशी माहिती काँग्रेसीचे राज्य प्रभारी चेल्लाकुमार हांच्यांनी दिल्या। RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Due to compulsion, he is staying back in BJP, and even when he has resigned and joined because of their threat, he used to call me often. Even I have told him, requested him also, Baba, don't speak like that in this phone. It is not good for you also, it is not good for me also. But he used to tell me, I am not worried about all these things. Doctor, you are not like, you don't know. They are not like Congress people. They are the ruthless, they are the murderers. They will go to any extent of killing the people. They are after my family, they are after my life. That is the reason I am staying there. Yes, he has told me many times.
When, sir?
No, he used to tell me for years to go. More than a year, he regularly used to call me.
But recently, audio came.
See, I am saying, whatever he has spoken to me, only I can. See, I am ready to undergo any test. I am not telling the lies.
Did he mention any individual's name that was
yes, Prime Minister, the country's Prime Minister Narendra Modi's name and also Amit Shah's name.
So
these two names only he has mentioned and told that they are the murderers. They will go to any extent. So I told in the last 2 months before also this. I told it very clearly. Because, see, I have nothing to hide. Even the day, I have not revealed it earlier, but the day before resigning from the Congress party also, he came to my room and told me, Doctor, you send someone to my house. You will come to know Amit Shah is after my life. So I don't know what to do. I want to save my family.
So he left.
So with that, yeah, this is before leaving the party. Before, I think almost 24 hours before leaving the party, he has told me the same thing. He came and told me in my room.
What about audio clips? Recently, I have a controversy on the audio clip.
See, everyone knows it is a very clear voice of our Honorable Minister Viswajit. As usual, he has denied it. So let's see. He has requested for an inquiry. So it is the BJP. They have to put an inquiry.
For the program you launched today, I will go to even the BJP supporters' houses. And what strategy you will have to?
No, we are going. We will go to each and every house.
Will you stall the assembly forthcoming? Is the schedule?
No, that strategy, our CLP will call. Our CLP leader will call a CLP, and they, at the time of the assembly, they will discuss it. They will take a stand. But it is a see. If they are not, BJP is scared of going for an inquiry. That itself is an acknowledging that statement.
But you will be taking a stand if the inquiry is not.
No, why should I take a stand?
Congress party will
Because no, when the BJP themselves is acknowledging that ministers of their own minister's statement, that is enough for me.